What's up? It's YouTubers here, and we're gonna do a little Tachyon
Galaxy box opening.
Let's get started.
All right, I'm here opening it up with Jimmy. He'll be doing the right side, and I'll be doing the left.
All right. So to get a Draco sack.
Draco sack.
All I'm after is console or Sombre, whatever. Because I need one more. I got two.
I need a Tachyon.
I need three.
Yeah. So this costs $89.99 at local card shop. Right.
Yeah.
So
There she is.
All right, I'll take this side. You take that side, huh?
yeah, I got it.
Okay, guys, open it on the mat.
Don't focus all on the cards, so you can't see us open it like Jimmy did. Hey, just keep us both in view.
Okay.
First pack.
First and second pack. Wonder who's gonna win.
Yeah, I did it. Okay.
My color.
I got Harpy's Pet Dragon. And oh, this is one of the ones I wanted. Constellar
Oh,
Omega.
nice.
But,
He's like, wow, two ultras. We already got our two ultras already.
Oh, okay. In a rare. Where is it lower here?
Lower Tachyon. Dragon?
No, I don't think I got a Draco.
Constellar Sombres is kind of like it's called Infestation Pandemic for Constellars.
Yeah, pretty
He's
good.
that on legs.
Hello?
One of the two new Constellar cards that come in the set.
Hello? Hello? I got a common Xyz.
I got
Trifortress
Stops, one of those new hand traps.
Oh, where did I get here? I can't read up so now. Oh, no E-Dragon.
Oh, no E-Dragons yet. This box is a rip-off and it's stacked. I got number 69. And just a common, a new Mermail card. I don't know too much about Mermail.
Oh, it's the rare.
Fairy Cheer Girl. What does that do? Detach one Xyz material from this card, draw one card.
Yeah, not bad. Continue.
It's alright. Wouldn't use it though.
Here we go.
I mean, it's a plus, but...
Can't read. Oh, we got a Baby Dragon.
Oh, yeah, you got Stream.
Oh, the rare.
Oh, we got a Super, one of those new Noble Knight cards. Oh, Noble Arms cards.
Noble Chief? Okay.
No.
Yeah, we have a, Jimmy and Sam's older brother actually plays Noble Knights.
Yeah.
Oh, you got another.
Oh.
Huh?
Baby Dragon.
Another baby. The dragon.
Little babble.
Little babby. Oh,
Oh. Dragon. Oh, fair. Got Tempest.
Oh, yeah, Tempest.
Tempest.
Sweet. You're getting all the baby dragons.
Oh, common Xyz again.
Oh, I got another bit. I got a baby dragon here, and I got Big Whale.
Big whale.
The biggest whale.
Biggest
Put
of them all.
Put the baby dragons to a side.
Oh, really?
It might be worth a couple
hold on.
bucks.
Get my Baby Dragons.
Wait, off the bat, lower Tachyon Dragon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stream.
This is one of the new TCG exclusive spellbook cards. Not that good. That one. Oh, and another baby dragon. Oh, and a common Xyz, King of the Feral Imps. I think this adds like a reptile to your hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
It'd be good to worms, I guess.
I'm really funny if I actually did the cards. Okay.
And that was the pack that we got our secret.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Got
got
a rare over here and a super rare.
Another Fairy Cheer Girl. Oh, another one of them baby Oh.
You got I don't know. Can't read.
Oh, that's a Hysteric Sign. That's one of the new Harpy cards.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Awesome.
That's a good one. If it's destroyed, they get add 3 Harpies to their hand.
Yeah.
Let's see shit.
Oh, we got another stream. Oh.
Yeah, I got a stream too. Oh, we got an ultimate rare rank up magic Barion's Force.
That's our ultimate?
Yeah, that's our ultimate.
That's fun.
If I can make make a bunch of just break up.
Oh, we got a little.
Oh, I got a burner. Yeah, we both got burners. The only big dragon we got was Tempest, eh?
Yeah, we pull some more dragon. Come on, Nick.
You guys could do it.
Packs.
If it's anybody rather than me, you guys could do it.
Oh, I got Fire Formation.
Big
new
whale.
card. The biggest whale.
Strong. Oh, we got a secret rare over here.
Oh,
What?
that's the new TCG exclusive Fire Fist.
That's not the
The
Oh, we got
Cyber
mine.
Dragon.
Oh,
Mind Dragon.
that's always good, I guess.
Good side deck card.
Take a look next time.
Man,
Spellbook of Miracles, everybody's favorite.
you got chipped,
spellbook
Mick.
card. And that's the risk with buying a box.
jeez. And then pull.
My rare is, I think this is a prophecy card.
Yeah.
And I got no foil.
Rare. And
I think we got all our foils by now. So I think we have like one more super.
one more secret, yeah. Come on, Kirkion.
Come on.
Sombre.
Somewhere.
Sombre is the best.
The rare.
The rare is Chaos Exceeds Dark
Fairy
Fairy
Cheer
Cheer Girl. Oh,
We got the same pack, man.
I think we're in sync because we keep getting the same
Alright.
cards. My last pack.
I'm a bit slow here, so.
Oh, you have to go back and tip it.
Yeah, I have to go back and get this. So.
You're the only one here who. Only you pulled the
Let's see what else we got.
big dragon.
Oh, we got another Rude Dragon Ruler. Oh, Evilstorm Kirkion.
Come
Nice.
on!
Nice.
And
And then I got
Best
Altitude
pack
Knight.
ever, man. Best pack. For me, because I
Last
play
pack,
Evilstorms.
for
Evil
Jimmy.
Swarms.
Yeah, Evil Swarms. Last pack for Jimmy. See if we can get this open, because...
Second secret. Draco Sack and Judgment Day.
Is that possible?
No.
That would be awesome if they...
I think there's
See what we
a
got
very
here.
slim chance for a second secret, I think.
Got, did I even skip the rear? No.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, that's right here. No, that's nothing else.
Some Evil Swarm card. Or a card with Ouroboros on it.
Well, let's decide who won.
Playing
Okay. Jimmy,
Recap?
show us your hollows in your house. Yeah.
Okay, what I got is Fire Formation. Yes. The Noble Arms thing. The ultimate, which is Barian's Rank Up Force. And then I got Consular Omega, which is really good.
Yeah.
Alright,
And I need
got Evilstorm Kirkion.
Evil Swarm.
Nice.
Evilstorm Kirkion, sorry.
I'm good, thank you.
Everyone wants. And I got Historic Sign.
Hysteric.
Oh, that's really awesome. I
Oh,
wanted this.
yeah.
Like, oh, I
Nice.
love it. And
Lucky
for
you
Secret
pulled
Rare,
it.
we got...
Too bad I bought it.
Oh,
Alright, I'm gonna decide who won.
Kirkion.
Lord Tachyon Dragon. I think Jimmy won this one. He
Yeah.
pulled the secret.
Hold on. I think we
Lord
used-
Tachyon Galaxy.
every box opening I've seen only has an Ultra and an Ultimate. But it has 5 supers. We only got 4 supers, but we got 2 Ultras and an Ultimate.
A credit card.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's good, I guess.
Yeah.
Got a
That's
bunch of
good.
E-Dragons.
We got the cover card,
Yeah.
which is actually usable in the Dark Worlds.
I only have a credit
Well, that would do it for this box opening. See you
I
later.
don't want
Peace
another
out.
one.